the technology that commands the great currents of the world, powering the very heart of industry. We craft the world's finest valves. All creation begins at the purest source. Forged in fires exceeding 1,500 degrees Celsius is not merely metal, but decades of expertise and an uncompromising commitment to quality. From the most robust materials, born of earth and fire, we shape potential into reality. Flawless design is brought to life where the hands of a master craftsman meet the precision of state-of-the-art machinery. A raw ingot is transformed, reborn as the unerring heart of industry, precise to the finest tolerance. Born through exceptional engineering, this heart now beats quietly and reliably, driving the flow in industrial settings around the world. Born from superior engineering, this heart now beats in industrial sites across the globe, silently and steadfastly commanding the flow. The unseen force that moves the world, creating the safest and most powerful flow for future industries. This is the promise and the pride of S&W.